everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add sounds to TikTok videos. So watch this video till the end. First, open your TikTok app, then tap on plus icon at the bottom of your screen. This is where you start recording a video in TikTok. At the top of your screen, you will see Add Sound. Tap on it. It will open extensive library of music and sound clips. You can either search the song you desire or choose the songs that is trendy. Then tap on pink check mark after you choose the song. Now that you have added the sound, you will return to the recording screen on top of your app. You will see the name of the song you chose. When you start recording, the audio will play along. So that is how you add sound to TikTok videos. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.